Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to automatically pull live stock prices into Google Sheets. No APIs, no scripts, just one built-in function. Here we have some sample setup. Now let's get live stock price. In C1, type current price. In C2, enter the following formula, which you will find below in the description. Press enter and drag down. That's it. You now have live stock prices updating automatically. What this formula does B2 equals stock ticker. Price equals current stock price. Prices update automatically. Bonus, get more stock data. You can change the second part of the formula. Days high, days low, market cap, 52-week high. Get historical prices. To pull past data, we can use this formula. This pulls daily prices for January 2024. Important. Tickers must be correct. AAPL, not Apple. Some international stocks need exchange prefix. For example, when to use this. Track portfolio value. Build stock. Dashboards. Monitor investments. Create financial reports. That's how you pull live stock prices automatically in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.